Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to buy online washing machine from Amazon. So first of all, I will open Amazon and in search bar I will type here washing machine, and here you can see there are many keywords available on Amazon. For example, washing machine cleaner, washing machine cleaning tables, washing machine houses, washing machine cleaner front loader, washing machine cleaner top load, washing machine pan, washing machine drain house, washing machine pods, and washing machine cleaner tablets. And I will only simple search here washing machine. So here you can see there are many washing machines available on Amazon, which is very reasonable prices and different brands and different qualities. For example, we will start from this one, blue color washing machine, Giant GX24977 PE mini washer and spinner comb, 5.5 lbs capacity, semi-automatic, compact laundry apartment dorm RV portable washing machine, 2800 its rating, which is 300 plus buy in the last past month, and $89 its price. And here you can see another is Comfy 1.6 cubic portable washing machine, 11 lbs capacity, full automatic, compact washer with wheels, 6 washes programs, laundry washes with drain pump, and $329 its price, 1757 its rating. And here you can see another is iCliff IWM001 WM00O portable washer, transparent gray, $229 its price, and its rating is very good, totally 5%. The next one is Temp full automatic washing machine, which is 17.7 lbs and $239 its price. So I will also open it. So here you can see another. So first of all, here you can check its front side. See its price, $329. So if you want to buy this one washing machine, then click add to cart and buy now. See another, its sizes, it's another side. So I hope now you have an idea how to buy online washing machine from Amazon. Please like the video. Thanks for watching.